Hi, I'm Kit Beall, CRO here at Cohesity, and I'm joined by Dan from GDT.
Kit, it's great to be here with you. Dan Mosley, I'm the Chief Revenue Officer from GDT, and super excited to be here with you today.
Fantastic. Tell us a little bit about GDT and what's going on in your business.
Yeah, I'll tell you, it's been super exciting. I've been at GDT just under about 5 years, and our growth has been off the charts, not only from a client standpoint, but also from a capabilities. We've really invested in our practices and really with a focus to be able to bring value and advisory to our clients. We want to be that advisor to help them take the next step in this ever-changing world.
That's awesome. Was one of our premier partners, now a 9-year partnership, I think it is, in our 2025 Growth Partner of the Year. Really excited to have this relationship between Cohesity and GDT. Tell us a little bit about, what are you seeing in terms of what your customers are asking for, maybe focus on resilience.
Yeah, it's interesting. I would say the two things definitely that every CIO is talking about. Number one is AI, right?
Of course.
They're being asked, how can we leverage it? How can we gain a competitive advantage over our competitors, And I would say the other one being cyber, right? And it's all about their data, right? If they do it correctly, they can leverage their data to be a differentiator, right, to their clients. And so they're always looking at, can we build a resilient cyber platform, right? And I know we have some areas where we work closely together for some phenomenal clients where we've been able to bring that value to them, really with an advisory type approach.
We've had a great relationship, like I said, 9 years now, and a bunch of different great clients in all kinds of verticals: financial, healthcare, manufacturing, retail. It's been tremendous. And I think you're exactly right. What we hear consistently is the advisory relationship and the nature of the engagement, the trust that you build with your clients makes a huge difference.
Yeah, no, I definitely think it's crucial, and you touched on it. It's one thing to be able to get out in front of a client and talk about their business, but for us, it's having the right partners. And you touched on it. 10 years, really continued growth year after year. And again, not only by the size of the business we do together, but the type of business we're doing and the impact we're having on clients together. And I really think that's the key.
Well, to that point, we've been focused on the 5 steps of cyber resilience. We believe that any company of really any size needs to understand how to have a minimum viable company or minimum viable enterprise, and thinking about backups all the way through to automated recovery, DSPM, identity resilience. In what you're seeing in the market today and from your clients, I know this is a top of mind subject. How do you see Cohesity as being a key partner for you?
Yeah, I think you said it in the key. I think it's key because these clients, a lot of them have had recovery solutions in place, but they don't know what they don't know.
Yeah.
So when something goes sideways, and so we've helped them make sure they've built a top-notch platform and leveraging Cohesity to be able to give them that peace of mind. Because that's the number one. When I think about it, that's kind of the first thing we're seeing with clients.
Absolutely.
Is, do we have the capability or the solution in place for the recovery? And then the second piece is on the cyber side, right? And I think, with our expanding relationship and your expanding capabilities, it just gives us, a top-notch solution we're able to put in front of our clients.
Well, I think, to kind of bring it to a close, the trusted relationships, the technology and the partnership all coming together to solve a critical and arguably maybe the most critical problem for our collective clients today. I think it's an unbeatable combination.
100%. And for us, it's, like you said on the front end, it's a very valuable partnership that I think will continue to grow as we, get new challenges with our clients in the coming years.
More to come. Thanks a lot, Dan. Appreciate it.
Thank you. It was great.